Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I made this 30-inch removable quick weave for just under $40. If you guys want to know how I got this look, keep on watching.
I love money, I love bags, I love cars, turbo stack. I want Louis double B, I want Prada for my feet. I love curtains made of silk, wrap my body like.
Okay guys, so I picked this hair up from my local beauty supply store, and the brand of this hair is called Organique. I got 2 packs of 30 inches with a 18-inch closure. Each pack of hair was only $12 and the closure was $10. Very inexpensive, under $40. This hair is not human hair, it's actually blended. You can apply a curling iron up to about 400 degrees. I do not recommend going anywhere where it's hot and humid or getting in water. Like, this is really something very quick. And if you just want something cute for the moment and you really don't want to spend a lot of money, I'm going to be making this wig into a removable quick weave using a spandex dome cap, weaving glue, and scissors. This is very beginner friendly. Like, I love this method. This is for those of you who are not comfortable yet with sewing and you want to learn how to start making wigs. This is a great way to start, and this can be done under 45 minutes. I'm going to start off by sewing down the closure. You don't have to use this method. I chose to do this just so that I can have extra security. But the same way I am sewing around the rim is the same way you will place the weaving glue. And also try to use a blow dryer just so that that weaving glue can dry down completely. going to apply each track going straight across. If this is your first time, I really suggest that you grab a white pencil and just draw your lines going across. This will help guide you through this. I like to keep my tracks about an inch, maybe about 2 fingers apart from each other, so that's about an inch apart. I'm going to try to get away with these 2 packs of hair because I don't want this wig to be too thick. And this is the final result. I love how this came out. It was super easy, but I might end up cutting this hair because I'm 5'2" and this hair is 30 inches and it comes way past my butt. It's super long on me and it's gonna be the last booty wig. So I hope that this video was helpful for you all. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new here, if you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please hit the subscribe button down below. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.